Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Shopify Payments for your side hustle, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your Shopify account. From the Shopify admin, navigate to the settings option at the bottom left corner. Click on the Payments tab. In the Payments tab, look for the Shopify Payments section. If Shopify Payments is not already enabled, click the Activate button. Fill out the required information in the setup form. This includes your business details, bank account information, and address. Make sure to input accurate details for accurate processing. Review the pricing and transaction fees presented by Shopify. Confirm that you understand the fees and policies. Next, select your preferred payment methods. You can choose to accept credit cards, Apple Pay, and Google Pay. Once you have selected your preferred methods, click Save. To ensure your account is fully operational, verify any necessary identity verifications. This may involve uploading documents or confirming your identity via email. After completing these steps, return to the Payments tab to check if Shopify Payments is now active. Test the payment process by making a small purchase in your store. This step is essential to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If the transaction process is without issues, your Shopify Payments is successfully set up. Now you're ready to start selling with Shopify Payments for your side hustle. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.